Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the blizzard effect, the snow effects in iClone 7. So this is my iClone 7. I just need to click Content and then I click this symbol. Next, you look at the particle. Click the small arrows beside the particle and you have a legacy. Click the small arrows beside the legacy. Then you should be able to get this folder, atmosphere. At the atmosphere, it's under environment. Click the environment, then you can see a blizzard here. Just need to drag the blizzard into the iClone 7. Then, once you play it, you can see these are the blizzards. So next, you can just check the scene. It's under the particle, you can see the blizzard. 01 is here. You still can adjust the emit rates, how many of the snows blizzards per second. By default, it is 100, so it is 1200. I make it 100, what will be? So let's check it. Now it becomes lesser. If I put just 30, what will happen? 30 per second. That will create just a normal snow effect. Alright. So when you want to render it, make sure you make this invisible. To make this invisible, please always check the particle and the blizzard here. You make it invisible, so during when you are done rendering it, you don't want to see any of the blue box at there. And this is all for today about how to create blizzards and snows in iClone 7. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these video tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to these YouTube channels and always remember to turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation. See you.